Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to have an adventure, mini adventure. I'm with my friends, my beautiful gay friends. So
hello.
Please introduce your name. Kahit
Yes.
magburay ka
Hello, good
magtagalog.
afternoon. My name is John, all the way from Dulag, Leyte, province of Leyte. And this is my friend.
Hi, afternoon guys. This is Kenneth Quintana.
How about you?
Hello, my name is JD. Oh my God, di nakikita. Oh my God, this is so great.
Yeah. I'm here in Barangay Sungi.
We're going to
Sitio Cabarasan because we're playing
watch a
volleyball. Sorry. Mana dire kapten pa yung kinaunang ako. Hello guys. We are just arrived here in Hetro. Yeah, this is my beach. This is
Beaches.
what we call that? Baybayon ni Agalon.
Beach.
Albera.
Seashore.
Hello
Don't do
guys.
that like this.
I like this lang. English yung kita ndro na asya. Hello.
Guys, I will show you the
I will show my.
environment.
You want to see my guba? I'm joking. You know what? I will use an umbrella because it's raining. Yeah.
Raining here.
This is Ate Debs. You know what? Ate Debs is the one of the official of the Barangay Cabarasan. This is 32 years old but running for 33 this coming September 23. I hope to see you again soon, guys.
Ba't
Yeah.
paano ka na?
Charot lang.
So guys, again we are here. We're having a mini adventure. So I will let you see.
Ako daw makarta ka na
So
yun.
now I will let you see the environment.
Akot makwan. Hello everyone. Hello everything. This is my best friend at the back.
This really.
Hi guys, welcome to Dante Davis vlog. We're about to play there a volleyball, yeah.
Yeah.
We're usually doing this for a quite long time now.
I hope you like it. You want to watch it? Bakit lurong niya nagkakaputit
So
camera.
without further ado,
Mano pakatamaklan nyo ay
I'll let you show the surroundings, environment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano?
So guys, as you can see, we're now going to the ang tawag ito, volleyball court. There, temporary volleyball court.
Yeah, because you know hi everyone. I'm here.
Hi everything.
Ako makaput. What's that? This is
See?
this is a dog.
No,
Gina.
it's not a dog.
Gina. This is a dog. Look.
It's
Meron na
not a
po
dog.
siyang natubo na po siyang sungay dahil nagkaroon ng COVID.
That's not even a dog.
We went to see my this is, you know what guys, I like this.
Yes or no?
I like this Sitio Cabarasan because this is a beautiful ambience.
Oh, it's quite.
Yeah, I'm here in
So
fried chicken.
look.
Magpakabuong kita ini.
Please beside the bird.
What? Do you see that? That is two duckling and this is my Ate Rachel house. Ate Rachel is so busy but definitely difficult. Chicken.
So we're now going to Ate Rachel's house.
Yeah, because we are visiting.
We're gonna visit here.
Visiting. Mana? Hani ate? Ay nakatulog.
Nakatulog.
Sige.
Ate Rachel is
Sleeping,
so
yeah. This
we're
way.
going to be back.
Yeah.
We're going back later now. What I'm speaking English. So we have to speak Tagalog now. So do you know guys what it is?
Hello. Hello everyone. Say hi. Say hi. Nasa ring niya. Hi.
So we're now approaching to their game area.
Yeah.
So they're already playing volleyball.
This is my
I think everybody's
friend.
ready.
Atin ka tayo. Nek. Yan si Nanay Ista. Tama na ito.
So Pato is we're going to play now. See you guys now, guys. They're already playing. And now I'm just here sitting on I don't know what is this tree, cutted tree. I don't know. Yes, they're already playing. So at the same time it is raining, so I'm with my umbrella. I'm using an umbrella. Chillax lang muna. Kasi mamaya pupunta ko doon. Kasi mas maganda doon manood. This place is like what? Switzerland or New Zealand. There's a cow. So they are enjoying their game. Yes. Mamaya mas marami pa to pupunta dito, mga lalaki na mahilig maglaro ng volleyball. So guys, see you guys later. So guys, the cow is already coming near to me, and I am wearing red shirt. So they said that if you wear a red dress, you are being irritated. They are being irritated. Where I mean, seeing person or someone who is wearing something red. So as you can see, I'm not sitting, I am standing. I am observing them. Where are they going? Because I'm pretty scared. Because they might come near me. And yes, poke me or something. They're now starting the official game for them. Guys, I think I am going to roll this out, transfer it out, because tabi apa yan? I can't do it. Their game is being serious already. It's a prank! Charas. Pato server is the one who served the ball. So they're still waiting. They are still waiting for. See that?
It's down to 12. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all in their swimsuit parade. Please welcome South Sudan. South Sudan loves playing volleyball, surfing with shark, and she loves playing vibrator. Once again, Vietnam.
South Sudan?
South Sudan and South Sudan.
You like playing mama music.
Next, Indonesia.
Mama.
Indonesia is one of the daughter of his father, and he is being abused by sexually and mentally by his father, his brother, his sister, and the neighbors.
Puta ka na kayo sumusuri.
Next, luwat mo na.
Nakanitakbo.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give.
Hands together to Miss South Africa. South Africa loves mammals, and she believes his face like a mammal. Once again, South Africa.
Another example. Another
Next, from
frog.
what mana? In Brazil.
Brazil. Miss Brazil loves diving in Danao.
Go, sino man?
Be, paso ba water, be? May lakad on today.
Ano? Karama mulai ako nagarilak niyo.
Udah, may kapatumbag ay. Sigurado ko.
His mama.
Kere na.
His mama's let.
Mana, panay anak ka mo. Kaya tayo mo niya.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Dili kasi nagkaya.
Namatanin ka. Namatanin ka. Agila. Saan meron na ka namatanin ka?
Wala naman 10.
Kaya taga ako na. Go.
Tarek.
Balyo doy.
Wala naman 10.
Toy.
Ano man.
Final destination.
No matter with how hard it is, good or bad, you will learn from it.
Ito right, tumaya pa.
Guys, I guess this is the end of this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kalokohan ng aking mga kaibigan. So, yes, I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos.
May ako si Amerika ko, chick, hindi pa. Mali ka kay check.
Ulog, man.